In a bid to resolve the political standoff in Bihar, Nitish Kumar, who wants to return as Chief Minister in the state, travelled to Delhi with nearly 70 leaders from his party. Mr. Kumar plans to parade the lawmakers to President Pranab Mukherjee to prove that his claim to the top elected post in Bihar is indisputable, despite what Jitin Ram Manjhi, the president incumbent, may claim.
We are in this Patna-Delhi Indigo flight where Nitish Kumar is leading all his legislators, sir. You are marching to Delhi. He is not willing to speak. There is the Congress legislator party leader, Mr. Saranand Singh also. There are a lot of, about 60 to 70 RJD as well as, Janata Dal United legislators. So what was the urgency? What is the urgency of this?
Well, the state is in constitutional crisis breakdown and the governor is sitting over his decision. He should have given the decision without any delay, but he is sitting on decision. So we are going to the president to lodge our protest because he is the president of India, he is the head and the custodian of the constitution.
Sir, Congress party is united?
Yeah, 100% united. We are 5 and we are with the JDU.
So what will happen now?
They have to take a decision because we are in majority.
So this is the kind of, pressure tactics because the governor has not taken any decision so far on when he is going to call the special session of Bihar Assembly, because it's very clear now that there will be a special session, there will be a trial of strength on the floor of the House.
About 130 MLAs of the RJD and JDU are congregating in Delhi. There is going to be a show of strength tomorrow. Before the president, we have with us senior JDU leader, Mr. K.C. Tyagi. So, क्या आप सबसे बड़ा डर क्या है? Will there be horse trading? Is that what you are fearing?
Yeah, horse trading is one of the fear because after getting the maximum support of the MLA and crossing the magic number of 130 plus, even the Sri Nitish Kumar has not been invited, and neither Sri Manjhi ji has been asked to step down from the chief ministership.
So when you are apprehensive of the role of the governor, do you think that the central government is also playing a role in this by not asking or instructing the governor or instructing the governor to take time to drag on the entire process?
By this incident, we want to make debate on the role of the governor, which has been under cloud since 1957, when the first non-Congress government was formed in Kerala, and Mrs. Gandhi was instrument to dislodge the first AMS Namboodiripad government.
So it's not only a question on the role of, the governor. There is a larger issue out here as to how the governor performs its duty, the role of the central government. That also is a very, very critical story, critical aspect of the story that is playing out in Bihar and now in New Delhi.